time for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to know. Hold me now. I really wanna tell you I'm sorry. I could never let you go. After all that we've been through, I will make it until that I promised you. And after all that we've been said and done, you're just a part of me. I can't